Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll place the furniture for this model here. What I'm also going to do is, before I place the furniture, I'm going to install the libraries that I need for my course. So what you would need to do is you would need to head to the link in this description. So what you would need to do is you would need to log in to your Autodesk account. So manage.autodesk.com. I'm going to log in here. All right, so once you've logged in, what you can do is you can go to the products and services. And then under Revit, you can click on view details. And then you can go to libraries. And under libraries, you can notice that we have our content here. So you can sort according to file size or according to the name. And in our case, we can download the US English content for Revit 2026. It's about 2 GB. So let's click on download. Now, if you're using the German version, I would highly recommend that you use this library here. It is a pretty useful library with a lot of useful families for the German DACH region. All right, so it's going to take a bit of time. So we'll come back once the download is done. All right, so the download is complete. So we can open the installation file. And click on install. Now we'll need to wait a bit till the installation process is complete. All right, so the installation is complete. Now we can click on finish. Now let's head back to Revit. Now to place your 2D families, let's click on a load family under insert. Now you can notice that under US, we have a lot more of families here than before. So let's go to our furniture families. And here you can notice that we have different families to select from. Let's go to our tables. So we'll need to furnish our living room first. So we'll need some seating. The problem is these are 3D families. I would like to actually show these families as, I would like to actually add 2D families in my model. Let me check in this library if there are any 2D families for my project. Okay, so there are no 2D families. So what you can do is you can go ahead and furnish your model with the families that are present here. For example, a TV stand, TV flat screen, wastebasket, and so on. We also have table, coffee table. So for example, if you want to place a table coffee, you can open this family. And when you want to place it, make sure you're on the right floor. We are on the finished floor. Then go to architecture, click on component. And now you can notice that our table coffee is here. And then you can place it in place. So for example, we can place it here. And then you can go back to your library and then search for the right families from this list. Another way to search for families is by using the Autodesk family option. So under insert, we have load Autodesk family. So you can click on this. And then you can search from this list for the right families. For example, when you search for chair, then you can find the right families. This is actually from your library. So for example, we can place this family in our project. So select chair Kobu and click on load. And then when you want to place it, just go to architecture, click on component, and then you can place it in place. You need to tap the spacebar key to rotate it. And then you can place it in place. You can place multiple sofas this way as well. So this is another way to place families, either by loading the family or by going to your Autodesk family option here and searching for this family from this list. So we have sofas, Kobu. Let's search for dining. We also have some dining tables. So let's load this dining table. And let's load it here. Now these families are also parametric. So if you want to reduce the size of the table, you can select the table, click on edit. You can duplicate the type first. So call this new. And then you can reduce the length, let's say to 5 feet, and click on OK. So you can reduce the length of these families as well. Most families are parametric, for example, the sofa as well. So you can reduce the size and more of the sofa too. Same goes for the coffee table. Now, there are certain families that we'll need to create separately. So in the next video, we'll learn how to create our kitchen counter as a 2D family and also our kitchen island. And we'll also create a family for our toilet here. Now, generally for the toilet, we also have some existing families. So if you go to insert, click on Autodesk family, search for WC, or let's say toilet. Yeah, we have some existing families here, so we can use these here as well. So maybe I can place a domestic toilet in my model. So to place this in place, you need to go to architecture, component, and then place it here in your model. So tap the spacebar and place it in place. All right, so in the next video, we'll get back to families and learn how to create our own furniture families so that you can create it with your own style of families as well. And you do not have to use the ones that come from Autodesk. So I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.